Okay, so this is a 47-year-old female, and test was done. The first test was done at 8:35 this morning. Second one is 9:15, so a little over a half hour, almost about 40 minutes. And you can easily see the difference in these graphs. This is much more powerful than that. Basically, what we're looking at is just the strength of the beat itself. Okay, so you see that compared to that, and that's kind of what we're looking for sometimes when we're doing this test, to see if the supplements themselves are actually increasing the strength of the cardiac muscle tissue, and that's definitely what it's doing there. So it's giving a little bit more of a pulse. So that's all good, and that's what you want to see. So if you're interested in this, you're welcome to give the office a call, 716-754-9039. And always remember, a well-nourished body is a happy body.